My dear sweethearts, how are you doing today? I hope you are energetic as ever. Let's invigorate ourselves with a fun activity. You carry out this activity with me.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around.
It is story time now. As you know, Goldilocks lives in the woods with her mother and father. She has a lot of friends. One day, she sees a house in the woods. She knocks on the door, but nobody answers. Now open your Goldilocks book at page 6. Goldilocks opens the door and goes into the kitchen. Let's read once more. Goldilocks opens the door and goes into the kitchen. Goldilocks opens the door and goes into the kitchen. Here's some new vocabulary. It is opens, door, goes into kitchen. Let's find out the meanings of this vocabulary. Opens, opens, opens. Door, door, door. Goes, goes, goes. Into the water, into. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. See you next time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.
It's time to go